And Chris, it's deceiving because it was cool and a little wet depending on where you were this morning.
It really was. I mean, the dew points were down in the 60s, which is still humid, but much more comfortable than it's been. Yeah, and the clouds blocking the sun. And then it all broke loose. Things escalated quickly throughout the afternoon hours. We did make it to the 90s again. Yes, we're keeping count. That's 10 times now this July and 22 times for the year. Yeah, 13 is average, and it's been quite hot. Today, one of the hotter days, certainly. It's still 90 degrees. We were up at 93 a few hours ago. And keep in mind, the rain earlier, which, thank you, we definitely needed it, and the cloud cover were keeping us down. That's why we did not soar into the 90s like many communities did to the west and southwest. But boy, those dew points in this morning were in the low 60s. Look at them now. In the 70s, approaching 80, at 80 in Mankato. It is very humid. The fuel is in place for storms to pop. We're just waiting for them to initiate. And here's the feel factor. 111-degree feel factor right now in Marshall. It feels like 98 in the Twin Cities. Yes, the National Weather Service is still holding with the excessive heat warning and the heat advisory until 9 o'clock tonight. Stay cool over the next few hours. And stay alert and aware for the potential for severe thunderstorms because they'll be coming in the next couple of hours. They've been rolling across the Arrowhead. We've seen a few in northern Wisconsin, but it's been relatively quiet. We still expect initiation just north of the Twin Cities and then pushing quickly into Wisconsin. These storms will form rapidly and they will move very fast, probably around 50 miles per hour, which means they can move on you quickly. The greatest risk is still deeper into Wisconsin, Rice Lake, Ladysmith, fine towns like that, and the risk weakens as you head toward the west. All ingredients are in play. I think the greatest risk is going to be damaging winds, also some sizable hail, and we can't rule out tornadoes, especially early in the game. Future radar will show things popping to the north and in parts of northern Wisconsin and moving quickly to the southeast. And we'll see the winds that could reach up to 70 miles per hour in strength as they barrel down toward Eau Claire, eventually Milwaukee, and clear the area rather rapidly. Some changes on the way for the better as we head through the next couple of days. First, the worst thing is the air quality. It's going to deteriorate with the northwest flow and subsidence. In other words, air settling down will get the smoke from the wildfires settling in. It will be tough to breathe for those in unhealthy groups for the next couple of days. Temperatures, cooler tomorrow. 88, I know that's still hot. It's still above average. What you'll love, it won't be as humid. Those dew points will fall down into the 50s, into the more comfortable range. Temperatures continue to cool Friday, around 86 degrees for the high. It will be much less humid. No more storms to worry about. The big negative, besides the air quality, is the fact that we may not see rain for the next solid week. So what we got earlier, what we might get this evening, that's about it. Our drought conditions will continue to get worse.
That is a big negative.
That is.
All right.